Okay, what is going on, guys? DSM Cubing here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Moyu Skewb. This will be my first ever Skewb, so I decided to try this one out. It also came with a stand and a bag. So, let's get right into the package. There's a little pamphlet here, so I might take a look at that if I don't know how to solve it. And here's the cube. I'm liking that green shade. Okay. I'm not exactly sure how to turn a Skewb, but I'm going to just give it a go, I guess. Okay, it definitely feels a bit sandy or dry just out of the box, but yeah, it feels quite nice. Yeah. Turns quite smoothly, but yeah, it's definitely quite dry and sandy. Yeah, so I like it. This might get me into the event, hopefully, because I've never had a Skewb before, so it'd be quite fun to try out. Yeah, it's really, I quite like the feeling of it. It's a bit dry for sure, but yeah, it is a bit deforming. I'm not sure, it might be just me because I've never had a Skewb before. So yeah, but it will definitely be quite fun to sometimes play around with. I'll try to learn how to solve it, and obviously learn how to even turn it, because I'm not exactly even sure how to. But it kind of reminds me a bit of a 2x2 with just with a massive centerpiece in the middle. So hopefully I can refer to that if I hopefully learn how to solve it. Yeah, so it turns quite smoothly. And it's nice. I'm just going to maybe try to do a solve, or maybe, I don't know. So there's a corner piece that will probably go into there. I really do not know. I don't have a clue how to solve it. Really. What? Yeah, so this is definitely going to... I'm going to try to figure out how to solve it on my own, but yeah, obviously if I struggle too much, then yeah, I'll probably just find a tutorial on this. But yeah, it looks like a fun puzzle to play around with sometimes. And yeah, I don't know what to say about it really, because I've never had a Skewb before. Apart from that, I'm probably going to like it. Yeah, so it's definitely going to be fun to play around with. I really do not have a clue how to turn this really. It's quite confusing really. But yeah, it's definitely, you can definitely play around with it, see how it turns and performs, and maybe if I learn how to do it better, then I might even do a review. I'm not sure about that. This is very confusing already. I really do not know, but yeah, it's going to be fun to do and play around with, I guess. Don't really know what to say. Yeah, I guess that's all I have to say for this then, because yeah, I really do not know how to do anything about this really, but it is quite fun, so I'll probably mess around with it sometimes and hopefully I'll learn how to solve it. Okay, bye.